Hey everyone! Late last fall, I took an almost solo trip to Korea, and honestly, it was pretty life-changing for me and one of the most important trips of my life. But that is a different time for another video. I spent a lot of my free time wandering around the boutiques of Hongdae and Myeongdong just because they had so much cute clothes out on the streets. So with that, let's get started. This coat was actually the first thing I did buy in Korea. When I was flying out to Korea, the weather seemed to be in the 60s, but when I landed, it was more so in the 50s. And it's a really great fit. It's a great length. I feel like it's hard to find this length in America. Next, this was an item I didn't get to try on since they didn't have a fitting room, and honestly, I feel like the back is so much lower compared to the front, but I do love how it looks on a black turtleneck. I picked up this cardigan at a train station, and I feel like this deep brown is actually really hard to come by. I feel like things are more tan and things are more beige. It's a pretty simple and timeless piece. I think it fits well in my closet. The only thing is that my mom calls it a grandma cardigan, but I feel like that it's supposed to be cozy and comfortable, and so I don't regret this at all. Now on to tops. So, funny story, I actually passed up on this shirt the first time I looked at it. As I'm recording this, I've worn this shirt so many times. It's definitely currently one of my closet staples. I honestly do not wear this. This was also another item that I could not try on. By the time that I did try it on, it was just so itchy and rough and not comfortable at all. I love this shirt because of how thick it is. It reminds me of the Uniqlo U t-shirt line. It's also another staple in my closet currently. Again, it was so cold I had to get turtlenecks, and it was the same time I got the marbled black and white cardigan, so this was a really good find for me. I picked up 2 brown turtlenecks because, like I said, it was cold and I really liked brown at the time. I feel a little bit of guilt for buying so many of similar things. Now, bottoms. I actually ended up really liking a lot of these pieces, and only half of them I could try on in the stores. That is a big worry for me because I am curvier in my bottom half. So I am really happy about this midi skirt because I was in Korea during the time I was unsure if I could really pull off midi. And just for reference, this was a one size fit and it fit me pretty well. These velvet faux corduroy, I'm actually not sure what type of material this is. They're really comfortable and they're really cute. So it's just a great way to have a little pick-me-up when I'm at home. So these were a pair of pants that I did not get to try on because they absolutely did not have a fitting room. And I completely regret this purchase. It's too tight. It's like squeezes my butt, squeezes my thighs. So these black jeans were actually the first bottoms that I picked up. I love these jeans. I feel like they're the perfect length and the perfect cut. I really like the raw hems, and they're a little bit stretchy, so it accentuates my curves well without suffocating me. I've always wanted a beret, and I actually got this one from Style Nanda. Berets are kind of hard, and I'm always scared of how to style it, so I'm really glad this one worked out. I wish I had bought more jewelry in Korea, but sometimes the jewelry stores were just really overwhelming because they had so much inventory. It was crazy. These pair of hoop earrings were the perfect sized hoop. So that concludes all of the fashion and accessory items that I got from Korea. But next, my Korea vlog is coming up, so you can definitely look forward to that. So thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!